Hi friend, welcome to my channel. It's your boy once again. It's Sys Transform again. As you all know, on this channel we always show you the best settings to apply to your WinLator or Mobus emulator. But in this video I'm going to show you some little tricks on how you can run your GTA 5 on your WinLator that will make you to run it as if you are running it on your PC, guys. So if you have been following my video lately, you will see that we have been finding the ways to optimize our GTA 5 gameplay on our Android. So in this video I'm going to show you some little steps on how you can do it. But first of all, you just have to go to WinLator's site and download the development version. So with the development version, you head to my Telegram page, so you find the OBB there. So from there there are some gurus there that will explain some things to you. So when you have downloaded everything, so these little settings will make you to run your GTA 5 as if you are running it on your PC. In fact, some PC cannot even run it, like the way our mobile phone is running. But don't be very sure that you are using a minimum phone like Poco F5, your your 8th Gen 1 device or 8 plus Gen 1, or at worst you use your 8th Gen 2. So with your 8th Gen 2 device you can be able to run it flawlessly, guys. So you can see how this game is running like our PC. Even some PC cannot even run this game. So what are the settings? So before I show you the settings, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe to my channel. You know, on this video, on this page, we always give latest update. So the steps are, so when you first of all open or install your Mobus, you have installed the OBB. See, these are the settings. So you just have to pause the video and check the settings by yourself. So the most important thing there is the advanced. So you put it to performance unstable. So you go back to the settings above, that settings above, go to the settings. So don't forget that your box 86 version is 0.3.0 version. So that is it, guys. So you will see, if you have applied these little settings, you don't need to do anything to your phone. Don't trick your phone, just apply these settings and start your GTA 5. So it's going to work amazingly, guys. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. It's your boys again, Sys Transform. So try to enjoy your game. So thank you, and thanks for watching my videos.
Look out! Bitch ass bullshit. Oh man. Fuck me. Fuck you. Oh God! No! Watch me. Hey, move! Good. What's going on, brother?